Welcome. In front of me is a Neffos X9, and today I will show you how to change date and time settings. So to start off, we want to actually open up the settings app and then scroll all the way down till you see more general settings right here. And then you should see date and time. So just tap on it, and here you have all the time settings. By default, it will be set to automatic date and time. So if you want to change it, you will need to actually select this to be off. And then you get access to set a date. So you can just tap on it and then choose whatever you like. Then time, also can tap on it and then change the time here, just scrolling through it like so. And you have automatic time zone. You can also disable that and select a time zone that you wish. So just tap it off and can then choose from whatever you like so. You also have an option to use 24-hour format or 12-hour. So if I tap this, it will basically remove the AM and go into 24 mode. So yeah, I'm just gonna actually turn back the automatic. So it sets the time automatically and keep it like that. So that is how you would change the date and time settings. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.